So you want to keep the water in between those two screws in the middle of the skimmer box. It's about halfway up the skimmer box. It's getting a little bit low. It's not an emergency, but since it's supposed to be hot the next couple days and it's not supposed to rain, I'm going to show you how you can use your Orbit timers to add water to the pool. Where I live, the water's pretty good where you don't have to put a filter on it, but some people might want to put a hose filter depending upon the water in your area. So let's show you how to do that to add water to the pool. Alright, so to add water to the pool, the first thing we're going to do is take off this nozzle because we don't need that. So I'm going to unscrew that and be right back. Alright, so that's off, and now we're just going to unwind a little bit of hose and then we'll start the timer. So just like watering the plants, we then are going to go hit manual, station 2, and then I like to probably give this about 15 minutes. We'll do 16. Hear that go on. And we'll just give it a quick double check here to make sure water is actually coming out. Like so. You can just fling that on the ladder like that. And we'll just let that run. And that'll raise the water level a little bit for the hot weather that's coming. That's all for now. Thanks. Alright, the hose auto shut off. See what our water level looks like now. See if I can zoom in here. So you can see now it's about halfway up. That's about where you want it to be most of the time. And this will be good for the hot weather that we're about to have. So in that case, about 15 minutes using the Orbit timer worked out pretty good. And then I don't have to do anything except wind this hose back up over here. And then my sprinklers will run in the morning since I left everything on auto and did not disconnect anything. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.